Climate data research consists of two components. 1. Representative concentration pathways, RCPs. And 2. Shared socioeconomic pathways, SSPs. SSPs have a total of 5 different pathways, which are SSP1, Sustainability, SSP2, Middle of the Road, SSP3, Regional Rivalry, SSP4, Inequality, and SSP5, Fossil Fuel Development. Volume of rainfall. The volume of rainfall in 4 pilot provinces is expected to increase in both the dry and rainy seasons. However, some provinces such as Rayong are projected to experience a slight decrease in rainfall during the rainy season between 2020 to 2046. Meanwhile, there are some provinces like Songkhla and Surat Thani that are expected to have a slight reduction in rainfall during the dry season in 2047 to 2073 and 2074 to 2100. Data from GCM indicates that annual rainfall in the future for these 4 provinces will continually increase over the specified timeframes. Future projections show that the reduction in rainfall during the dry season will lead to rapidly increased drought conditions in the drought month, March and April, particularly from September to December. Highest temperatures. All 4 coastal provinces are likely to experience higher temperatures in the future. This is due to a forecast indicating that the highest temperatures during the dry season are likely to increase over the century, which aligns with the assumption of rapid economic growth. Many provinces along the Gulf of Thailand are expected to have their highest average temperatures in March to April. Lowest temperatures. The lowest temperature is expected to increase slightly from the baseline value. In 2074 to 2100, it is predicted that the lowest temperature in Phetchaburi province will reach 3.5 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature is likely to increase on average by 0.3 to 2.2 degrees Celsius and 0.4 to 3.5 degrees Celsius, respectively. Sea surface temperature. Based on the forecast, the sea surface temperature in the Gulf of Thailand is expected to increase by up to 4 degrees Celsius. From the analysis of the habitats of coral reefs, seagrasses, and mangrove ecosystem along the coastline of the 4 studied provinces, it was found that these regions are likely to face an increase in sea surface temperatures ranging from 0.5 degrees Celsius to 1.6 degrees Celsius. Floodings. Based on 10 factors, namely 1. Elevation data, 2. Slope data, 3. Flow accumulation analysis, 4. Drainage stream data, 5. Topographic wetness index, TWI, 6. Future land use and land cover, future LULC data for 2030, 7. Precipitation data, 8. Geological data, 9. Hydrogeologic data, and 10. Soil texture data. The study found that in 2030, 47.64% of the total area along the coast of the Gulf of Thailand, covering 18 provinces, will be at low risk of flooding. 47.01% will be at moderate risk, and 5.35% at high risk. 56.85% of the area in Phetchaburi province will be at low flood risk, 35.65% will be at moderate flood risk, and 7.5% will be at high risk. In Rayong province, 80.15% of the area faces a low risk of flooding, and 19.85% faces a moderate risk. 45.48% of the area in Songkhla province faces a low risk of flooding, 54.46% faces a moderate risk, and 0.07% faces a high risk. In Surat Thani province, 33.15% of the area faces a low risk of flooding, 42.77% faces a moderate risk, and 24.08% faces a high risk, covering an area of 2,043.45 square kilometers. Drought. Phetchaburi province, the highest drought risk, covers 102 square kilometers, accounting for 1.67% of the area, while 651 square kilometers, or 10.68%, face a high risk. 1,179 square kilometers, or 19.35%, face a moderate risk, and 1,551 square kilometers, or 25.44%, face a low risk. The lowest drought risk covers 2,613 square kilometers, or 42.87% of the area. Rayong Province. The highest drought risk covers 148 square kilometers, accounting for 4.05% of the total area. 337 square kilometers, or 9.2%, face a high risk. 641 square kilometers, or 17.5%, face a moderate risk, and 1,161 square kilometers, or 31.71%, face a low risk. The lowest drought risk covers 1,375 square kilometers, or 37.54%. Songkhla Province. The highest drought risk covered 163 square kilometers, accounting for 2.24% of the total area. 678 square kilometers, or 9.32%, face a high risk. 937 square kilometers, or 12.87%, face a moderate risk. 2,585 square kilometers, or 35.53%, face a low risk. And the area with the lowest drought risk is 2,913 square kilometers, accounting for 40.04%. Surat Thani Province. The highest drought risk covers 155 square kilometers, accounting for 1.18% of the area, while 340 square kilometers, or 2.60%, face a high risk. 1,137 square kilometers, or 8.67%, face a moderate risk. The area at low risk is 5,079 square kilometers, accounting for 38.74%, and the area at the lowest risk is 6,400 square kilometers, accounting for 48.81%. Rising sea levels. Changes in climate conditions contribute to rising sea levels, which leads to coastal erosion problems. Phetchaburi Province has the greatest loss of coastal area in Cha'am Sub-District, followed by Chao Samran Beach Sub-District, Mueang Phetchaburi District, Lam Phak Pia Sub-District, Ban Lam District, Nong Khanan Sub-District, Mueang Phetchaburi District, Nong Sala Sub-District, Cha'am District, Phuc Tien Sub-District, Tha Yang District, and Bang Gao Sub-District, Cha'am District, respectively. In Rayong Province, the greatest loss of coastal area is in Naeun Prat Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, followed by Cheung Naeun Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, Pala Sub-District, Ban Chang District, Phe Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, Tha Pradu Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, Chak Po Sub-District, Klang District, Ma Ta Put Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, Klang Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, Naeun Khaw Sub-District, Klang District, Kram Sub-District, Klang District, Ban Chang Sub-District, Ban Chang District, Pak Nam Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, and Tapong Sub-District, Mueang Rayong District, respectively. In Songkhla Province, the greatest loss of coastal area is in Baw Tru Sub-District, Ranod District, followed by Thabon Sub-District, Ranod District, Nathap Sub-District, Janat District, Thung Wang Sub-District, Mueang Songkhla District, Pak Bang Sub-District, Thepha District, and Baw Yang Sub-District, Mueang Songkhla District. In Surat Thani Province, the greatest loss of coastal area is in Kantuli Sub-District, Tha Chanat District, followed by Tha Chanat Sub-District, Tha Chanat District, Phum Rieng Sub-District, Chaya District, Wang Sub-District, Tha Chanat District, Takrop Sub-District, Chaya District, and Don Sak Sub-District, Don Sak District, respectively.